Our main event of the evening. We have Freddy the Terrorizer Flancarte. And Manuel the Navy Boy Ruano.
Navy man.
This is an epic battle between the two titans. They are about to clash. We have Pedro the Faggot McCarthy referee. Sammy and Avi are the audience. Ready? One. Let's get ready to rumble!
This side, are you ready?
Are you ready?
Bitch, are you ready?
You ready?
Okay, one, two, three. What's that last word?
Oh, bitch! Let's get it on! Manuel, Manuel, Freddy is the victor! Your child won't go all the way down. You won already. All right. The champion is Freddy with the TKO!